Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil soup with vegetables. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of brown or green lentils, ensuring they are well rinsed. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables by chopping 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. Finally, have 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1/14. 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes on hand. These are the foundational elements for a delicious and hearty soup. Now let's start cooking. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion, sautéing them until they are tender, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, stir in the rinsed lentils, the can of diced tomatoes, and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. To enhance the flavor, season your soup with 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, and salt and pepper to taste. Continue to simmer the soup until the lentils are fully tender, which usually takes an additional 10 to 15 minutes. The total cooking time for the lentils should be around 35 to 40 minutes. Just before serving, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of fresh flavor and color. Your delicious lentil soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, perhaps garnished with a dollop of plain yogurt or a sprinkle of extra fresh herbs for an added touch. If you have any leftovers, they can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, making it a great meal prep option. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link and other offers in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.